Assalamualaikum and good day to our ergonomics lecturer, Ms. Nur Hazika. We are from Group 1, which will be presenting the workstation design proposed for Habas DNL Project and Berhad that consists of picture of design, objectives, advantages and disadvantages, cost budget, and also suggestion. So move on to the picture of design. As shown in the slideshow, figure 1 shows the current office chair and desk design, which is lack of ergonomic design, where a workers works for long hours, they tend to experience back pain, shoulder strain, and maybe wrist strain. So in order to avoid those ergonomics hazard, these are the suggested ergonomic design for office chair and desk. So looking at the office chair, we have a neck support, back support, and also an armrest, and the height is also adjustable, where it also comes with a wheel, so it is easily movable, which makes it suitable for office chair. Meanwhile, for the desk, as you can see, the desk is also adjustable, where it is designated for sitting type of work and also standing type of work. And it also provide more legroom, which eventually will make workers to work efficiently and comfortably. Okay, so move on to the monitor. Monitor design that we chose is that it can be adjusted. The height, angle, and depth can be adjusted to one's preference. So they will be more comfortable in working and reduce the ergonomic hazard. So move on to next is ergonomic mouse. The ergonomic mouse is designed so that the wrist relaxes without soft wrist compression. So the design eventually will make the wrist remains in neutral positions. So that's all from me. Moving on to the next presenter.
Okay, next we will go through objectives of workstation design. So the first objective is to achieve a balance between workstation design and human physical need or requirement, which can be an ergonomic chair, desk, and others. But as the employees' health charges and ergonomic equipment are exceptionally expensive, there will come a result of an irresponsible company which will ignore the employees' healthcare. Thus, the administrative needs to emphasize more on workstation design. Second is to make a suitable workplace for workers by take account of their capabilities and limitations. For example, there are workers that suffer from neck and back pain, which will cause major musculoskeletal disorder, which is MSDS, in a long period of time. Thus, a workstation design is needed to make a better solution to the problem arise. And the third one is to provide a safe work environment since there are hazards everywhere, such as the high brightness from the brake desktop itself may cause eye strain or even headache. Plus, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA, has established and legislated safe working conditions. This shows that an ergonomic issues has been increasing steadily, that it's been noticed by the administration themselves. And last but not least is to make a best use of space with an ideal items needed by workers, which means the amount of furniture in the workplace should be appropriate for the working condition and space. For example, a hall table or desk can even fit more suitable items other than computers, such as a pad, charging point, a designer lamp, and many other useful mini accessories. As a result, workers will feel more at ease and be able to work efficiently. So that's all from me. Proceed to the next presenter. Thank you.
Good morning to Ms. Hazika and my fellow friends. So in this slide, I will present about the advantages of the suggested workstation. The advantages of ergonomic chair, the first one is support for long-term sitting and position, meaning that the ergonomic chair helps to reduce hip pressure by providing suitable seat depth to support the hip. The second advantage, sorry. The second advantages is posture guidance chair. As we can see the chair picture in the previous slide, the chair is built with such curve at the backrest, equally means it can provide total back support with defined contact in the key areas of the back. The third advantages of ergonomic chair is dynamic back movement with while, while sit. The backrest can be slightly swivel to allow user to move freely and also to tilt it backward, which is suitable for napping posture. The second workstation design is sit stand desk. The advantages of sit stand desk is reduce health risk. Using a using a standing desk can lower blood sugar level and lower risk of heart disease. The second advantage is increase energy and improve mood. The standing table is user-friendly and is easy to use to adjust at a certain height. And the third advantage is reduce neck and back pain. Standing tables can reduce neck and back pain as there are various heights and some are not suitable if the position of the table is too high or too low. The third workstation design is monitor stand. The first advantage of monitor stand is space efficiency and stability. One of the benefits of a monitor stand is that they free up your desk space and the stability it offers increase the lifespan of the monitor. The second advantage is flexible height for suitable eyesight. This is because monitors then give ability to adjust your screen to a comfortable height and your lagging. The angle of your screen. And last but not least, the advantage of ergonomic mouse. It promotes neutral mousing position. The wrist remains in comfortable neutral position. And the second advantage is relax the grip. Vertical mouse suited for a palm grip, which is more relaxed hand position. That's all from me. Moving on to the next presenter.
Okay, next we go to the disadvantage. First of all, we have the ergonomic chairs, which is this lack of common ergonomic chairs usually requires a special design. We go to the first point, which is the quality of the various. The employees who end up using a low quality or badly constructed ergonomic chairs suffer an elevated risk of damage such as the back pain. The second one, which is the ergonomic chairs, may not be ideal for use by people who are either short or too tall, as well as those who are overweight, which is exceed the level of weight that the ergonomic chairs can be accommodated. Such the people certainly feel awkward when wearing an proper chair. The absence of using of these typical ergonomic chairs frequently requires a special design. The second one, we go to the sit stand desk, which is the first one. You may find it difficult to look at the paperwork when you stand. Use your computer or telephone or the multitask. The second one, which is you cannot have a pleasant monitor and eye strain, especially if you use a laptop. In addition, standing too long can cause swollen and sore feet, a pooling of blood in the legs of it. The third one, which is the monitor stand. Is it worth using a monitor stand? There are indeed benefits to using this monitor stand, but this monitor stand also has the cons, such as the user will feel uncomfortable as they are constantly facing the monitor. Therefore, this will cause the user to experience the back pain, and the neck pain will indirectly also experience the eye strain. The last but not least is the ergonomic mouse. Firstly, the disadvantage of ergonomic mouse is the usually costlier. You have more money to purchase the last ergonomic mouse than the newest standard of the laser mouse. For the second one, which is mostly the battery operated. The ergonomic mouse have a futuristic and modern style, therefore a wired alternative is hardly available. That's all. Moving on to the next presenter.
So this is our cost budget for the work design that we recommend to the Harvest ENL Berjaya Sendirian Berhad. As we can see, there's a 4 item there. The first one is the ergonomic office chair, which the price is 85 ringgit 99 cents. The second one is the sit stand desk. The price is 1,590 ringgit and 25 cents. The third one is the monitor stand. The price is 81 ringgit and 54 cents. And then the last item is the ergonomic mouse. The price is 48 ringgit 30 cents. So the total of the budget is 1,729 ringgit and 8 cents. As we can see, even the price is quite expensive, but we already make research to each of the item and they have their own benefits. So it also have their own benefits for prevent the ergonomic hazard happen in their company. So for the next presenter will be Nitya for the control measure or suggestion.
Okay, thank you. Lastly is the suggestions. The first one is applying automation. So applying automation is the application of making work processes, apparatus and system by mechanical or electrical devices. The task can be eliminated or less repetitive. Thus, it is able to save time, energy, labor, and improving the quality and accuracy of process and product. The automation that we can apply is height adjustable work desks and chair. It can be adjusted to the individual body height of the employee, both in sitting and standing position, to avoid constrained body postures and able to reduce muscle tension in the neck, shoulder, and back region. Secondly is redesigning workstation. Next slide. Redesigning workstation. The design of workstation must consider size, shape, and layout between employee and workstation to eliminate ergonomic risk factors and based on ergonomic principle which fits the task for employees. For example, we can choose chairs with seat pans that are tilted slightly downward. This design can help relieve any pressure on the spine as the shape and the height and shape of chairs can greatly affect the employee's comfort. Thus, it provides a positive working environment in which the design of equipment work layout and work environment matches the capabilities of people so they can lead a healthy and productive lives. Differences in job tasks and body sizes among employees are accommodated so that the job hassles, soreness, and potential injury can be avoided. Next slide. Okay, last but not least is training and education. Provide training and education to enhance the knowledge and skill on ergonomic issues. Educating employees on the risk factors for musculoskeletal disorders and how ergonomics can make their work easier, more efficient, and safer. For example, train employees to identify the job tasks that may present a risk and determine better ways to complete those tasks. Thus, it improves understanding and awareness leading to the safety-oriented culture. That's the end of the presentation. Thank you.
That's all from us. Thank you.